Hello everyone. If you want to see edited story in Google Docs, first on the top click on File, and from this menu, from Version History, click on See Version History. Now, as you see, in your right side, you see Version History section. The first one is your current version, and other one is your edited version of your document. If you click each of them, you can see the edited part and you can see which part was deleted or edited with other color, and also you can see which user edit this document. After that, next to each version you see three dot option. Click on it and you can restore this version, which means you can restore the edited version for your current document. You can name this version, change the name, and also you can make a copy. For example, click on it, you can change a name and select your folder and make a copy of that edited version. Or if you want restore from these three icon, or on the top the blue button, you can restore this version. For example, I click this one and your current document will revert to the version from that time. You can click on restore, for example, and as you see, that edited version now is restored as current version. Again, you can click on File, from Version History, click on See Version History, and choose another version and back. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.